So, once again, we thank you for being a part of the Minaida family. This video is being made to show you how you could turn on your location from your settings, and also turn make sure that your map is downloaded, and also make sure that map your map is turned on. All of the features in your map is turned on. But before we go forward, uh I would like to give us a very quick give us very quick advice. What you want to do is that you want to look right below this video where you see the word subscribe. I believe it's in a red color. It's on the right hand side right below this video. It says subscribe. You want to touch on subscribe. And also, once you look again right beside the word subscribe, you see like an image that looks like a bell, like a school bell. So an image looks like a bell. You want to touch on that image, and you will be there will be a list display right now if you've touched on that. And from the list, you want to choose all, ALL. You want to choose all. What would happen is that once you touch on subscribe, and you also touch the bell and choose all, ALL, every video that Minaida would make, every update to the app, every new update to the app, every new features that we add to Minaida, we will make a video and upload the video to YouTube, and you will be one of the first individuals to be able to have access to this video. So that's the benefit. You always will receive new updates before everyone else. So tell your family members and friends to also subscribe. Touch on the bell image and choose all, ALL, so they have the same experience. Now let's go forward with the video. We will learn how to turn on our location, and also how to make sure that our maps actually downloaded and turned on and working properly. So what you want to do is to go over to your settings, search your settings, however way you can find your settings, location. So now what will happen is that you have to after you've come over to your settings, you're searching location now. You have to search location. As you can see what I did, the next thing you want to look for location and privacy. I'm using the iPhone, so I'm choosing location and privacy. For Android, it will be different. If you have an Android phone or you have the Chinese phone, I say this with a lot of respect. There is no disrespect to anyone, but just to be able to describe the category of phone you have, as it is being described in Liberia. So if you have a Chinese phone or Samsung phone, you can choose to go into your settings and search location. But for iPhone users, you can also do the same thing as I've done. And where you see the hands for iPhone users, for Android, like I said, it would be a little different. Just make sure to choose from the list, try every like as you can see, I have the whole list of options here: share my location, reset location. So you want to make sure you try every option on the list, and and then you will be able to find the specific one that has the option to turn on your location. So again, search your location, try all of the options on the list. For me, because I'm using the iPhone, I will choose the location and privacy, where you see the hands lifted with 5 fingers, location and privacy. Now, the first on the list says location and services. That's exactly what I want to turn on. As you can see, it's turned on now, but try to turn it off. You don't want to turn this off. Just for the example, you want to cancel. As you can see, the little image there moves left and right. It's animated. So my location is turned on now, which is good. Now I have to go back to the settings and then search maps. You want to search maps. And when you look on the screen, you see location as the first on the list, and you see why using. You want to touch on that. And now you can choose either why using the app or why using the app or widgets. You want to choose any of those on the list. And the next thing you want to do is make sure this precise location is turned on. You want to turn on your precise location for iPhone users. For Android, it might be different. So just probably try to look carefully, or you want to go over to the videos that I made on YouTube. There is one 35 minutes video, and there is another 57 minutes video that is long enough to explain everything. This is just a short video to show us how we could turn on our location. So after you've done with all of this, and you decide to now go over to your Minaida app, but for some reason, Minaida app is not giving you your location, and as you can see, the map and everything else is empty. Because your map always have to have names on them. It should not be empty like this. Your map always have to have it should have name on it. It should not be empty. So if you see this situation with your phone, you're not receiving your pickup address, because Minaida app should automatically provide you your pickup address, especially when you are requesting a ride for yourself, and which you do not need to change. But if your pickup address is not being provided, sometimes even on the screen, you might see getting location. It might stay there for almost a minute or two. That's a problem too. So you're concerned now. I've turned on my location. I've turned on the maps, but it's still giving problem. What you have to do is very simple. You now have to close Minaida app completely. You want to close the app completely off the screen. Completely off the screen. You don't want to leave the app in the background. Make sure the app is closed completely. And then you want to turn your internet off. Again, you want to turn your internet off. Turn off your internet for at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And then you want to go back into your phone after 2 or 3 minutes. Turn your internet back on. And after you turn your internet back on, you can now go to your Minaida app and reopen your Minaida app. And that should solve the problem. So thank you once again for being a part of the Minaida family. Please do your best to subscribe, share the app, share the videos, and let's make the transportation experience better in Liberia. God bless you. Have a blessed time.